Welcome back, everyone. It's Sam from Tynker with another special selection of community highlights for this week. First project we have is Platformer Game 2 by Abstracted Library. You can see in Abstracted Library's code some when I receive blocks, forever blocks, set animation speed blocks, and set linear velocity blocks. Stay alive in this fast-paced platformer game and utilize your jump button as much as possible. Next project we have is Defend the Wall by Different Buzz. In the code you can see some when I receive blocks, switch to costume blocks, and some forever blocks as well. Defend the wall from all the goblins trying to raid your castle. Here we have Cooking Grandpa by AbsoluteZero. In AbsoluteZero's code we can see a lot of say blocks, some set layer blocks, and animate blocks for Grandpa's cool moves. Cook with Grandpa and make his world famous recipe. Last project we have is Teleport Man version 1.0 by Live Eyelid. From this code we see an if on edge, bounce block, switch to costume blocks, and forever blocks as well. Teleport away from all the danger by clicking around on the map and survive the time. Thanks for watching, and remember, you can code like this too on Tynker. See you next time!